Imagine walking through your museum's halls and not just seeing history, but actually having a conversation with it. Today, we're going to look at some incredible technology that's making that a reality. It's giving a voice to the stories that are locked away inside your most priceless artifacts and paintings. How do you really capture the attention of a generation that's grown up with smartphones in their hands? How can you, as a museum, turn a quiet walk through a gallery into an active, truly unforgettable conversation? This is the challenge that every cultural institution is facing right now. Well, the answer lies in blending the timeless power of your collection with the very latest in AI. And a new platform called Museum X is a perfect example of this. You see, this isn't just another audio guide. It's an intelligent, interactive companion that lets your collection tell its own story directly to your visitors. So how does this actually work for someone visiting your museum? Let's walk through what a visitor sees from the moment they step up to an exhibit. It's so easy. A visitor just pulls out their own phone, scans a QR code you've placed next to an exhibit, and bam, instantly, a lifelike guide appears right on their screen. From there, they just start talking.
Ben yapay zeka müze rehberinizim. Müze veya eser hakkında merak ettiklerinizi sorabilirsiniz. Bilgi almak istediğiniz eserin QR'ını okutun ve sorunuzu sorun. Sağ üstümdeki görsel gibi QR'ını okuttuğunuz eserin resmini görebileceksiniz. Sorularınızı dilerseniz konuşarak veya yazarak sorabilirsiniz. Şimdilik sadece Türkçe çalışmaktayım, ileride başka dillerde de çalışabileceğim. Şimdi admin panelimizi anlatacağız.
We also know how important it is to empower your team. Your curators and staff get complete control through a simple, secure admin panel. They can update exhibit information in moments. The stories are there. They're waiting in every gallery, inside every artifact in your collection. So the only question left is, are you ready to let them speak?